ready to kickstart your Python programming journey and ace the PCEP 3002 certification? Introducing PCEP Certification Practice Test on Udemy. This course is your ultimate companion to mastering Python Basic and passing the PCEP 3002 exam with flying colors. With our practice test, you'll dive into key Python programming concepts including Our practice test is designed to mirror the real exam experience, ensuring you're fully prepared to achieve certification. Don't wait! Enroll now in the PCEP Certification Practice Test on Udemy and take the first step toward your Python programming career.